Hello, Math 1 Focus guys. This is going to be the third video for this week. I'm going to turn around. This is going to be on identifying equivalent algebraic expressions, all right? So we're going to be using combining like terms and distributing combining like terms, simplifying expressions. There's going to be more than one answer, right? So again, man, I sure appreciate you guys watching, but don't just watch, try, okay? So if you know how to do this, hit pause and do it. We're looking for all the equivalent answers, all the ones that are equivalent to this, all right? So hit pause and do it. If you don't know, then just, for starters, let's just watch, all right? So I'm going to put a 1 in front of this a. 4a plus 1a is 5a. And then you go alphabetical, and then 7a plus 7m plus 10m is 17m. So anyways, this first one is okay. This first one's equivalent. And now you can switch it around. This is called the commutative property when you move them. This is equivalent. 17m plus 5a is the same thing as 5a plus 17. It's like saying 5 plus 17 is that the same thing as 17 plus 5? Yeah. Or 5 plus 6, that's the same thing as 6 plus 5. You can add to any order, right? So this one's equivalent. And then here, 3a plus 2a is 5a, so that's okay, but this is 16m and it's supposed to be 17m, so that's a loser. And then 5a is a winner. 8m plus 9m is 17m, so yes, that one's a winner. So A, B, and D were equivalent. C was the one that wasn't equivalent. So that's how we do it. So anyways, hit pause, give it a try. I'm going to get going. 5m plus 6m is 11m. And 2 plus 10 is 12. So we want 11m plus 12, or something equivalent to that. So 10m plus 1m is 11m plus 12. That's a winner. This is 11m plus 12. That's a winner. That's 11m plus 12. That's a winner. Or 12 plus 11m. And this 11m plus 8, that's a loser. Anyways, those three were equivalent expressions. Getting the hang of this? So here, you try this one. Hit pause. I'm going to write above here. This is 18a plus 48 and then plus 2a. So if I add those, I get 20a plus 48. That's what I'm looking for. I want everything, it has to be, these have to equal 20a plus 48. Well, this one's a loser, because that's 20a plus 14. This one's 20a plus 48, that's a winner. If I multiply, if I distribute, I get 20a plus 50 minus 2, and 50 minus 2 is 48, so that's going to be a winner. And 19a plus 1a is 20a plus 48, and that's a winner. So anyways, A was the only one that wasn't equivalent. Next one here. Oh, so on your paper, if you just do tic-tac-toe, cut it into 4 sections here, or 3, cut it, just do tic-tac-toe. 2 sections this way and 2 lines this way, and you get 9 problems here, right? So here, why don't you try this one, hit pause. So just get your answer here. This is going to be 15m plus 20 and then plus 1m. Make a habit of putting your coefficient there when it's not there. Put that 1 there. 15 plus m plus 1m is 16m plus 20. That's what you're looking for. You want to just simplify. Well, this is 16m plus 9, so that's a loser. This is 16m plus 20, so that's a winner. This is 16m plus 20. That's a winner. And 17m minus 1m is 16m plus 20. That's a winner. So B, C, and D were equivalent. Getting the hang of this? All right. So pause and do it. I'm going to go. 5m plus 1m is, that's 6m plus 2p. That's what we're looking for, 6m plus 2p. Well, this is 5m plus 2p, that's a loser. This is 6m plus 2p, that's a winner. This is 6m plus 3p, that's a loser. This is 6m plus 2p. Here, I can even write it. That's 6m plus 2p. That's a winner. So B and D were equivalent expressions. So the whole thing is doing it. Don't just sit and look. Actually do the problems. First, simplify your original one to what you're trying to get, so you know what you're trying to get. So hit pause and copy and go. You should have the hang of this step by now. You put a 1 here. So this is 5a, nothing's like that, and then I'm going to go alphabetical, so 7m plus 1m is, that's going to be 8m, and then plus 8. So there it is, simplified. That's what I'm looking for. And you can switch the order. The order might be different, but that's how you should write it. So here, 5a or 4a plus 1a is 5a, and then you got plus 8m and plus 8. So yeah, that's a winner. Here you got 5a plus 8 plus 8m. You just switch the order, and that's okay. You can add in any order, commutative property. So that's equivalent. Here's 5a plus 8m plus 8. That is a winner. And here's 16a plus 16m. That's a loser. So the first three were equivalent. Get the hang of this? Doing great? All right, here we go. Here comes your 7th one here. So hit pause, copy, and go. So simplify this. I'm going to distribute. That's 14m plus 21 and then plus 9. So that's going to be 14m plus 30 is what I'm looking for. Well, this is 14m plus 84. That's a loser. This is 14m and 21 plus 9 is 30. So that's going to be a winner. This is 9m plus 30. Nope, that's a loser. And here I'll just distribute. That's going to be 14m plus 30. And so yeah, that's a winner. So B and D were equivalent expressions. All right, here's number 8. So hit pause, copy and go. I'll try and hold still here. All right, so I'm going to go. So this is 18m, and that's plus 24, and then plus 2m. And 18m plus 2m is 20m plus 24. That's what I'm looking for, or something equivalent to that. Right? So here's 20m plus 10, that's a loser. Here's 18m plus 2m is 20m plus 24, that's a winner. Here is 20m plus 24, that's a winner. And if I distribute, this is 20m plus 26, well, that's a loser, because I want 20m plus 24. So B and C were winners, were equivalent expressions. Okay, last one here. Hit pause. Come on, let's do it. You can get it. I'm going to go. So here's 8a plus 24. Put a 1 there. Plus 1a. So you get 9a plus 24, or something equivalent to that. That's what you're looking for. Well, so A is a winner. That's 9a plus 24. If I do this, I get 9a plus 24. I can just think it, I don't have to write it. That's a winner. This is 24 plus 9a, which is the same thing as 9a plus 24. That's just commutative property. You can change the order, CO, change the order. 4 plus 2 is the same thing as 2 plus 4. Those are equivalent. And then this is 6a plus, that's a loser. Right, so the first three. So anyways, I hope that was really helpful. Hope you did a great job.